Is anyone there? Or are you just tired of spending hours manually hacking away at long videos to make simple clips? If you have ever dreamed of turning one long video into a stack of viral content without the soul-crushing manual labor, then you really need to stick around for this. Today I am going to show you how to leverage modern AI tools to create professional-looking short videos that actually perform. The real hero of this workflow is an AI editor that takes long-form content and transforms it into ready-to-post clips while managing your content calendar for you. Think of it as the ultimate cheat code for creators who want consistent social output without living inside a complex editing suite. Before we dive into the details, if you enjoy learning about AI tools and strategies for creator growth, please hit that like button and subscribe. Make sure you stay until the very end because I have a special giveaway that you are definitely not going to want to miss. Let's set the stage by looking at the current landscape of AI tools available to us. There are amazing platforms out there right now that can generate cinematic characters and even turn still images into fully animated shots. These high-end models are fantastic for making concept art or creating stylized assets for your projects. However, if your main goal is to grow an audience on platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram, you do not need more random assets. You need to turn the content you already have into snackable, attention-grabbing clips that drive real engagement. This is exactly where the AI editing platform we are discussing today truly shines. Here is the workflow I use. I will demo a quick asset creation flow and then show how this tool distills long-form footage into viral clips. It takes podcasts, live streams, or lectures and automatically handles the heavy lifting of editing and scheduling. First, let's briefly look at asset creation, because high-quality visuals absolutely still matter. Tools that generate 4K images are perfect for creating crisp thumbnails or splicing cinematic B-roll into your intros. I will generate a protagonist and a fantasy creature just to have some unique material to work with. After selecting the correct aspect ratio for my platform of choice, I simply hit generate and let the model work its magic. The images come out incredibly clean and detailed, which is perfect for adding that extra polish to a video intro. I often do a quick touch-up with image-to-image tools to tweak the lighting or change the mood to fit my specific video theme. Creating flashy assets is great, but that is only half the battle when you are a content creator. The real bottleneck is taking that hour-long interview and turning it into dozens of clips without spending days on jump cuts. This is where the AI editing platform steps in to save you a massive amount of time. You simply upload your long video and the auto-editing feature starts scanning for emotional weight and peak moments. It intelligently identifies laughs, topic shifts, and potential hook moments to generate multiple short-form edits instantly. It is not magic that replaces your creativity, but rather a time-saving assistant that surfaces the best parts of your footage. I uploaded a 20-minute sit-down video to see how it would handle the pacing and tone. I told the tool that I wanted a snappy, meme-ready style that prioritized moments with high viewer reaction. Within minutes, it produced a lineup of clip candidates, each with suggested hooks and automatic captions. I was able to preview a few, tweak the start and end points slightly, and add a quick bump of background music. The tool also handles all the difficult cropping for different aspect ratios like vertical, square, and horizontal. Not having to make separate exports for every single social media platform is a complete game changer for scaling your reach. Now let's talk about the part that most creators unfortunately sleep on, which is the scheduling aspect. You can set the platform to auto-schedule clips at whatever posting frequency you want to maintain your growth. The auto-schedule feature handles the heavy lifting based on your preferences, making consistent posting a reality. This turns the grueling task of daily posting into something you can easily maintain, even when life gets busy. The content calendar acts as your management hub where you can preview scheduled clips and move publish dates around. If you work with a team or manage multiple channels, having this organized calendar is a total lifesaver. It ensures that you do not accidentally publish the same clip twice or forget which variation was meant for which platform. Let's get practical for a second. For my latest batch, the tool suggested 10 shorts from a single 30-minute session. I kept 5, added subtitles, swapped the thumbnails to my AI-generated images, and scheduled them for the next 2 weeks. Compared to manually scrubbing through footage and exporting various sizes, This saved me literally hours of tedious work. How does this compare to other AI tools that focus purely on cinematic generation or asset creation? While those other generators give you top-tier visuals, they often fail to solve the core problem of content management and distribution. Other editors require you to manually mark highlights and switch between multiple dashboards, which creates a lot of friction. The massive advantage here is the integration of clip discovery, batch exporting, and scheduling all in one streamlined flow. Instead of stitching together a dozen different tools just to post one video, you have one cohesive system. Of course, no tool is perfect, and sometimes the suggested trims need a little human fine-tuning for better context. The auto captions are incredibly strong, but a quick glance before publishing is always a wise move to ensure accuracy. If you need heavy color grading or complex visual effects, you will still need a dedicated creative app for that specific job. However, if your main goal is consistent, high-quality short-form output, this platform is built exactly for that purpose. Here is a pro workflow tip. Create a few thumbnail variants and a short animated intro to apply to all your clips. Importing those assets creates a consistent brand identity across all your social media channels effortlessly. Before I wrap things up, it is time for the giveaway announcement I promised earlier. We are giving away 3 premium memberships to help creators get their workflow started on the right foot. To enter, simply sign up for an account using the link in the description and tell us what you liked about the tool. We will pick 3 lucky winners to upgrade their accounts and jumpstart their content production. To recap, you can create cinematic content for fun, but the real leverage is turning long videos into many short, platform-tailored clips. By using automated editing and a robust content calendar, you can build a near fully automated content machine. If you want a deep dive into the exact settings I use for crops and caption styles, just drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the link in the description to start your journey. Thanks so much for watching, and now it is time to see how you will scale your own content.